Hello kids, I am Rupa Gupta, your computer teacher. This video is for standard 4th. We are going to start with the new chapter, that is lesson number 6, MSW logo using pen colors and pen sizes. Now the previous chapter was also on logo, and in that chapter we have learned all the basic commands. Now here we are going to learn about the pen colors and pen sizes. So what you are going to learn in this chapter: set pen size and set pen color commands, coloring an object using set flood color and fill commands, set screen color command, and checking the status of the turtle. So let us begin this chapter by introduction. Now you can change the size and color of the pen of the turtle. Now size and change, you can change the size and color of the pen. Now when the turtle was drawing, it was having black color line and the line thickness was very thin, right? Now here you can change the size and we can change the color. So this is done using set pen size and set pen color commands respectively. Okay, by using set pen size you can change the size of the pen, and by using set pen color command you can change the color of the line. Now let us learn more about them. First one is set pen size command. The set pen size command changes the size of the pen of the turtle. The change is in terms of its height and width. And the command is set pen size number 1 and number 2. Number 1, number 2 means number 1 and number 2. And here number 1 is for the height and number 2 is for the width. And how we will give the commands to change the size of the pen? So this way you have to give the command. The command is set pen size, then we give the space, use a square bracket, open square bracket, then one number, and give one space and another number and close the bracket. Okay, this way we can set the pen size, and we can set the pen size by using the menu bar also. Okay, so changing pen size using the menu bar, how you will change it? Here on the menu bar, this is the menu bar, okay, that is below the title bar, we have the set tab. In the set tab you have to click the pen size option. Okay, click on the set tab, and second step is click on the pen size option. When you click on the pen size option, you will see this way window, that is a pen size dialog box. Okay, whichever size you want you can set from here. You can click on this particular button and you can set the pen size, or you can use this bar and you can adjust the size of the pen and then click on OK. Whichever option you have selected, that same it will get selected and your pen size will be done. Now let us do it practically. Let us open logo. Okay, this is our logo screen. Now if say I am drawing one line by simple FD 100 command. Okay, you can see the thickness. Okay, now if you want to make the thickness more, okay, now example I'll go in the paint program, I'll show you an example. What is the thickness? Now when you are using the brush, okay, there is one size button. According to this size button we can increase the or decrease the thickness. So if I take this one, first one, the thickness of the line is very thin. Okay, this is very thin line. Then if you take this one, it will be more thicker than the first one. Okay, and if we are taking this one, it is more thick. And if you want to increase more thickness, then you can use Ctrl and plus key, and then you can increase the thickness. Okay, so this is the thickness, and here in this command, using set pen size command, we can change the thickness of the pen. So just write set pen size, no space in between this. Okay, set pen size should be written together, then open the bracket, square bracket, then let us write 5 and 5. Normally we keep both the numbers, that is first number is for the height and second number is for the width. Okay, we keep both the numbers equal. If you write different, it's okay, but the turtle will consider only the second number, that is for the width. Height it will not consider, but we have to give two numbers. Okay, only it will consider one number, that is the second one, but we have to give two numbers. Let us press the enter key, and now let us make the turtle move forward right side first. Okay, and we can see the thickness. Now have you seen there is a difference between first line and the second line? Now let us increase the pen size more. Okay, set pen size, let us write 10 and 10. Now let us move the turtle move forward 100. So you can see the thickness, you can find out the difference between the thickness. Here this size is the normal one, first one, and then this is the 5 thickness, and this is the 10. Okay, so I have given 10 10. Now we can change the thickness from here, from the menu bar. This is your menu bar, that is below the title bar, that is a menu bar. Click on the set tab, this is a set tab, click on that and click on pen size. Okay, we want to change the pen size, so you have to click on pen size option. When you click, you will get the pen size dialog box. Now you can see many buttons are there. Whichever button you like, which thickness you like, you can click on that, and when you click, it will be shown over here which option you have selected. Okay, this way, and you can adjust the thickness from here also. Okay, this is a zoom slider. You can use this slider and you can adjust the thickness, and whichever thickness you like, you can see over here. You can keep it over here and click on OK. Now let us move the turtle, move 100 step forward, and you can see the difference. Okay, this way we can change the thickness. And let us clear the screen, and when you clear the screen, the thickness of the pen will not be changed. Okay, whichever thickness you have selected, it will be as it is, because when we use clear screen option, only the screen is cleared but the thickness of the pen is same as it is. So I'll show you FD100. Okay, see the thickness is as it is. So if you want to make it normal, so go in the set tab, pen size, and the first one option. Okay, and this is the normal size of the pen. Okay, this way you can, when you clear the screen, only the screen is clear, the thickness is not changed. Remember this. Now let us go to the next topic. Sorry. Okay, now next topic is set pen color command. Okay, this command is used to give ink color to the pen of the turtle. Ink color we are giving to the pen of the turtle. Like example, when you are drawing something with a sketch pen, whichever color sketch pen you are holding, that color line you are drawing, right? Same way, when we give the color to the pen, the turtle will move by drawing in that color. We'll see it. So what is there? MSW logo uses 3 primary colors, red, blue and green, in different combinations. Logo uses 3 colors in combination. Then 3 primary colors are red, blue and green. Using these 3 combinations, you can give different colors to the pen. Okay, so each of these 3 colors has a number range of 0 to 255. We have to give the numbers from 0 to 255, any numbers in between this. So by varying these numbers for all 3 colors, you can create 16.7 million different colors. So many colors you can make out of this 3 combination only. So 16.7 million colors you can make, and some of the examples are given over here. So this way you have to write the commands. We have to write set pen color, then together. Okay, and the color spelling over here in command is COLOR. Okay, whenever you're writing the word in computer related to colors, it will be COLOR. And when we are talking about different colors, like example here, primary colors red, blue, green, here we have to write COLOURs. But when we are talking about the commands, the color spelling in command will be COLOR. Here we have to give 3 numbers in a combination. Okay, so we have to give space. When you're writing one number, then give the space for another number and third number. This way we have to write 3 numbers, and some examples are given. This is for black, white, gray, red, green, blue. You can give your own numbers and you can create the different colors. So this way you have to give the numbers. So here the example to the command is given for the green color. You can see in the figure. We will do it practically. Let us see next. So you can change the pen color by using the menu bar. How you will change? We have to click on the set tab, and then we have to select pen color option, And when you click on the pen color option, you will see this pen color dialog box. Whichever color you want, you can select that particular color, or you can adjust from this slider this shading, and whichever shading you are doing it will be appeared over here in this box, and then you have to click on OK. Let us do it practically. Now first let us move the turtle forward by 100 steps. Then we will change the color of the line. Set pen color. The command is set pen color. The color spelling COLOR. Open the bracket. Now write 3 numbers in a combination. Okay, one is 100, another is 200, any numbers you can give, and another I am writing 150. Close the bracket. Okay, now we have set the color of the pen. Now let me move the turtle forward. First let us turn the turtle right side, and then we will make the turtle move forward by 100 steps. Now you can see this is green in color. Let us set the pen size first, then you can see it more clearly. Set pen size, let us write 10 and 10. Okay, and then move the turtle more 100 steps forward, so you can see the color. Okay, now let us set the color of the pen again to some other color. Just we have to change the number here. Okay, now let us make the turtle move forward more. So you can see I have changed the color. Again let us do something else, another number. Okay, see, you can see the changes. If you want, you can set the pen color from here, from the set tab. Okay, here it is below the title bar, set tab. Click on the pen color. Now pen size we have done. Okay, and now let us do again, we can do set pen size. Let us change the thickness. Okay, and then we'll change the pen color. Whichever color you want, you can select from here. Okay, or you can just move the slider, and whichever color you like. See, I'm moving the slider, you can see the changes of the color over here, right? You can adjust your color shading whichever you like. Okay, now let us move the turtle, move forward 100 steps, and see the color. Now let us change this color again, pen color. Okay, it came over here. Let us clear the screen and draw the line again. Okay, so you can see the color changes. Now let us move to the next command. Now next command is coloring an object. Now here in logo, you can make any figure and you can color that figure. Okay, so any figure can be filled with colors in MSW logo. How to fill the colors? The steps are given. First, set the color of the brush using the set flat color command. Fill the color selected in an enclosed figure using the filled command. First you will make the figure closed figure. Okay, and then we have to set the brush color. We have to change the brush color by using set flood color command. After that we have to make the turtle move inside the figure, and then using the fill command we can color the image. Okay, we can color the figure. Now your set flood color command sets the color of the brush. What is the use of this command? To set the color of the brush. Now previous one we have seen how to set the pen color, or we have to give the ink to the pen. Okay, and here we are setting the brush color by using set flood color. So with the help of this you can color your image inside the image. The pen of the turtle acts as a brush using this command. So your pen will be changed as a brush using this command, And here also we have to use all the three primary colors with values ranging from 0 to 255. Okay, so same way how we have used in set pen color option. Okay, same way here also we have to give the numbers in different values you can give, and we can make different colors. An example is given over here how you can set your brush color, set flat color, give the space, write open bracket 0 0 to 55. This is the number for blue color. Okay, and after that, after setting the color for the brush, we have to give fill color. Okay, so fill command uses the color of the brush set by using set flood color to flood an area. To flood an area, it means that both the commands have to work together to give a beautiful colorful object. So we have to give always set flood color combination. After this we have to give fill command so that you can color your figure. Here the examples are given. And one more thing, the color is filled in a closed figure when the turtle is inside the figure. Okay, whenever the turtle is inside the figure, then only you can color your picture. Okay, you can see the picture over here. We will do it practically. And you can set the flood color, that is a brush color, by using the menu bar also. How you can do it? You have to click on the set tab, and then we have to click on flood color option. Okay, and when you click on flood color option, you can see this dialog box, flood color dialog box, and whichever colors you want you can select or adjust from the slider, and then click on OK. Your brush color will be adjusted, and you can set your brush color from this flood color dialog box, and then after this you have to give fill command so that your picture will be colored. Let us do it practically. Now first let us clear the screen. Okay, now first let us draw a figure. Let us draw a square. Repeat 4 FD 100 RD 90. Okay, this I have drawn a square. Now let us move the turtle inside this figure. So first let us make the turtle move right side 45 degrees. Then we have to make the turtle pan up. To color the picture, the turtle should be inside the figure without touching the borders. Okay, the borders should not be touched. So let us make the turtle pan up. Then forward 20 steps. Sorry, forward 20 steps. Okay, and then let us use the set flood color to color the set the brush color. Okay, any number you can give. Let us write 120, 80 and 100. Okay, after this we have to give fill color. Now by giving this command, only the brush color is set. Now the turtle's pen will act as a brush, and now we have to give fill command. Okay, you can see the command is filled. Now let us change the color, brush color, to something else. Okay, and then fill command. Okay, so if you give the first number here, it is acting as a blue color, the red color, it will be the shade of the red. The second one is for the green, and third one is for the blue. And if we give blue, second number more bigger than this, we'll get blue shade. Okay, this way we can set the color from here. Set tab, flood color, whichever color you like you can select. Okay, and you can adjust the shading from here. And then OK, and then we have to give fill command. After setting the brush color, we have to give fill command. Okay, now let us clear the screen, and let us set the pen color first again. You can see the colors. Okay, then let us set the pen size to this one. Then let us draw a pentagon. So what is the command for pentagon? Repeat 5. Pentagon is having 5 sides. FD 100. And how we will get right degrees? So we have to divide 360 divided by number of sides. What is the number of sides here? 5. Okay, pentagon is having 5 sides. So divide 360 by 5. You will get 72. Okay. So I have taught you this, how to draw a closed figure, 5 sides, 6 sides. So use that option and use in the previous chapter. Same way we have to make it over here. Okay, why the picture is not drawn? Because the pen was up. We have to make the pen down first. Pen down. Okay, we got a pentagon. Now let us color this. First make the turtle move right side by 45 and move it inside by without drawing line. So pen up, FD 20. Okay, now let us set the flood color, that is a brush color, by using flood color command. Set the color from here. Okay, and then we have to give fill command. Okay, this way you can do it. So now let us clear the screen again. Now next topic is set screen color command. Now what is the set screen color command? It sets the color of the background of the screen. You can use the 3 primary colors in varied combination to obtain different colors. Okay, to set your screen color. Now normally logo screen is what? White in color. We can set it by different colors. How you can set it? By using set screen color command, and you have to give 3 numbers in a combination. So whenever you using color command, any color command like set pen size, set pen color, set screen color and set flood color, we have to give 3 numbers in a combination. Okay, 3 primary colors we have to give in combination, and then you can set your color for your screen. Okay, now and we can set the screen color by using the menu bar also. Okay, now let us do it practically. Set screen color command, set screen color, COLOR. Okay, and no space in between the commands. After complete command is written, then we have to give the space, then open the bracket, square bracket, write any numbers and close the bracket, 3 numbers, and the color is set for the screen. Okay, again if you want to set the color another color, we can just change the number. Okay, see, you can see the brightness has changed. Now we can set the screen color from the set tab also, that is set tab and screen color option. Whichever color you like, you can just use this. Okay, we can set it from here again, we'll change it. Okay, understood? Again I will show you. Okay, now we have set the screen color this way. Now let us change the pen color. Let us take in blue shade. And now let us draw another figure. Again we will draw a square. Repeat. Let us draw a triangle. Repeat 3. FD 100. RT 120. Okay. Okay, our pen was up, so let us make the pen down first, and then again we will try it. Okay, our triangle is here. Now let us color this triangle by giving, let us move the turtle first inside it. So RT 45, we have to see it is on the border, so make it this side here, inside this. So make LT 20. Okay, and pen up, FD 20. Okay, the turtle is inside it. Now let us set the pen set the flood color, that is brush color. Whichever color you like, you can select it from here and click on OK, and then write fill. Okay, so this way you can color your image. Now the last topic is, that is the status of the turtle. Now you might forget about the status of the turtle, especially after giving several commands. Okay, now we have given so many commands, like I was doing pen up, pen down again and again. Now what is the status now? We don't know that. What will be the orientation, that is the turtle here, it will show you the position of the turtle, where it is. It shows you the color of the turtle. Okay, pen color, then the flood color, screen color. It is showing you in the status. Okay, so status refers to the position of the pen, the position of the turtle on the screen, and the color of the background, etc. All this can be checked by giving the following commands. Which command we have to give? Status command. So when we give status command, that is we have to click on the status button that is present in the commander window. So status command pops up a status window. It tells you what the current settings of the turtle are. Okay, it will show you the status of the turtle. And when you don't want to see the status, we have to click on the no status button. Okay, that is a no status command. The status window can be removed from the screen by giving no status command. Now let us see. Now we have done so much things over here, and we want to see the status of the turtle. We have to click on the status command or status button over here, and you can see the status window. You can see the pen is up. Okay, and what is the position of the turtle over here, and you can see the pen color, all the colors, screen color, flood color. And if we don't want to see the status, we have to click on this same button that has changed to no status. Click on this. Now let us make the turtle pen down. Okay, and now let us see the status again. Okay, so now the turtle is penned down. So, and then click on no status to remove the status window from here. Understood today's topic? Let us clear the screen. So in the set tab, you can change the pen size, for the size to change the thickness of the pen, then pen color to change the pen color, flood color to set the brush color. Okay, so you can set your brush color and you can color any closed figure. After set flood color, we have to give fill command, and then screen color to color your screen. I hope you all have understood this topic, this chapter. So how we will exit logo? We have to type by command. BYE. The logo is closed. I hope you have understood this chapter. Please go through it. Thank you for today. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Bye.